Hello. Everyone says AI can generate videos, but creating one random clip is easy. The real challenge is creating consistent characters that look, speak, and behave the same across multiple scenes. Today, we are testing exactly that with Google Flow, Google's AI filmmaking platform. Instead of making a single AI video, we are going to build a character and let Google Flow generate a story around it. Let's see how good it really is. The first thing on the Google Flow we can see on our desktop is we can either try Omni, which is also a video generating platform, or we can create a character. Let's go with creating a character. Okay, so there are already predefined characters which is given by Google Flow. There are six. We can either select one of them or we can create our own character. Let's go with creating our own character. To describe the character, let's give it a prompt. Okay, we can also choose the model. Let's go with already predefined model and a banana 2. Let's see how it's gonna generate. So this is actually one of its biggest features. Instead of describing the same person over and over again, we can create the character once and Flow remembers that identity throughout the project. So we have two options here. Either we can generate a portrait of a character or we can create a body. So I've already selected portrait. Let's see how it's gonna appear. Hmm. It's working. It may take a few minutes. We can also select a voice for our characters. There are multiple voices as you can see. Let's go with the preview for. Okay, so we can just select any of these voice we want for our character. Okay. Okay, as we can see, this generates quite realistic picture according to description. Now let's create a story around this character. We are done. Okay. Now let's create a story. Let's give it a prompt. Let's go with this. And we have to add this character in this chat. So add to prompt. We can also select either we have to generate 9 is to 16 frame or 16 is to 9, and also the times of videos we want to generate. So for now we have selected two. It will generate two videos. I also selected the fastest model, which is Vivo 3.1. Now let's see. So instead of creating scenes one by one, I have asked Google Photo to generate an entire sequence featuring this character. Let's see how well put on will it be. Okay, as we can see, the videos are being in queue because of the here traffic. Sometimes it happens, but it also start regenerate by itself, as we can see. Oh, it's 10%. It takes a few minutes at generating two videos at the same time. We can also name the character if we want. Since we name the character as Maya, as we can see, the videos is being generated. Now let's watch each generated clips, paying attention to the facial expressions, camera movements, and lighting. Now let's see the second one. As we can see, the facial expression is quite realistic. and all the camera movements and lighting makes it more cinematic. And the character actually remains consistent throughout the story. So after testing Google Flow, I think its biggest strength is character consistency. Instead of generating disconnected clips, it creates usable characters that can appear naturally across multiple scenes. So this character we have generated, let's say Maya. So this character is now saved in my profile. I can come back anytime and generate another video using this character and keeping the characters same in multiple scenes and multiple story. So it's quite good for social media content creators, influencers, and significantly reduce the time required to produce high quality AI videos. Overall, Google Flow feels like not just a text to video generator, but more like an AI filmmaking studio. It's still evolving, but it's already one of the most exciting AI tools for storytelling. Thanks for watching.